welcome to our channel. Today we've got something a little bit exciting. We've got our 80 series Landcruiser. I've been chasing one of these for quite a long time. It's a 1/16 scale, as you can see, and we've been looking forward to getting this one for quite a while. So I thought we'd just do a quick see what we get in the box. We can see here that it's a ready to run, a WPL model. So yeah, I've been chasing one of these for a long time. I've got some big custom ideas in mind for it. More to decorate it, more so than make it an invincible off-roader. But we'll take a look at what we get in the box. I was pretty keen on getting the maroon colour because my brother had one of these and has some very fond memories, so I'll try and do it as a proper GLX model with the do the painting and so forth along the side bump strips. So you can see it's quite well packed in this vacuum formed plastic. Does a good job protecting it. So there she is. So we'll do quite a few modifications over time, but first we're going to get it up and running, see what we get, and put it together and give it a run straight over the box and see how it performs. We might even compare it with some of the others. You can see straight away the suspension's got quite a lot of flex and travel in it. And here's the beast. So it's a very nicely proportioned body actually. Looks very neat and tidy, very accurate in dimensions and the way it looks. We'll get rid of this license plate here, and I'm not sure what this mounts here. Must be a ladder or something, but we'll make it look like a proper GXL Landcruiser in Australia, to the Australian specs, where we don't have spare tyres and things hanging off the back. A lot of people option them up that way, but I want to have this one a little bit more factory looking. So I'll get with you soon and get that built up. As you can see here, all the drive shafts and so forth are all plastic, but they seem to do okay. I mean, it's definitely built to a price, but it certainly looks very good, and it's I'd say verging quite well on hobby grade. I'm quite pleased with it and look forward to giving it a good run. Okay, in the first bag we're opening up, spare wheels, so that's quite handy. Side steps, and looks like the roof bars with the factory style roof rack connects onto for skis and so forth. Looks like a snorkel here. Side mirrors. And some more trim pieces here. I'm not quite sure where they go, but we'll see if we can get that figured out. And one more little item in here. Again, not sure quite where that goes yet, but we will figure that out. So in the second bag we have this accessory roof rack and some stone guards, it looks like, for driving lights that probably mount onto the roof rack somewhere. I see along here. And a ladder to climb up. We'll see whether or not we put this on. And in here, let's get these extra little pieces out. Got a bunch of hardware here, screws and so forth. And here we have our tail light lenses and looks like side clearance lenses and so on. Also looks like some mirror inserts. So that's some nice detailed pieces there. The decal sheet. As I mentioned before, we'll make our own license plate, customise things a little. And obviously we won't need these coloured decals for the tail lights because they're nicely coloured already. The other things we have here is a little lever tool with a sharp end on it. A battery charger for the lithium battery. It looks like a suspension link. I'm not sure if that's a spare part or one's missing off it perhaps, who knows. And a tiny little Phillips screwdriver. So it comes with quite a few accessories, which is great. Let's see if this little lever tool here can do the job of getting this hood open. Oh yeah. Okay, so here we have the battery inside. Standard tiny little lithium battery, but these work okay. They charge up pretty well and they certainly last well. It uses the 4-pin style. So we've got quite a mix of plug connectors going now. We've got 4-pin and 3-pin. The MN models I think mostly use 3-pin, and the WPL models tend to use this 4-pin plug. So I don't know which one's going to succeed in time, but anyhow, we've got a good collection going. So we'll get to and start to assemble some of these pieces. And the last bag to open up is the one with the bull bar, and also it comes with another grill, a proper 4 headlight grill. So these typically in Australia were done as an aluminium bull bar, and also they had chrome plastic obviously, but it was all chromed around the headlights and so forth. The centre of the grill was blacked out, but so we might even do that. We might just make it a bit more authentic, because it looks a little bit plain in the all black, so I might do some silver work on the bull bar and make it look like an aluminium bar. And it also has sidebars here, so brush bars to protect the front fenders, which, yeah, I don't think we'll be putting those on. They look a little ugly in my view. And some more headlights or turn signals. Here we have the indicators, and I'm not quite sure what these are, but we'll work through that. And we also have some lenses for the driving lights. So very complete kit with quite a few customizable features. I think we'll go with the aluminium bull bar look rather than the standard bar. And also the GXLs in Australia had black fender extensions or flares. And one other thing I notice here, the door handles are also black, whereas the Australian models in the GXL, they were a chrome door handle in here. So I might do those also and just make it look a little more authentic. So we might go with black fender flares, and we'll also paint in the bump strip down the side here to make it look a bit more authentic. So after I've done some aluminium work or some chroming work on the bull bar and so forth, we'll get back. Now let's take it out for a run, see how it works without doing any modifications and straight out of the box. Thank you for watching. Please give us a like and a subscribe, and keep an eye out for our next video where we'll review some of the detailing that we do on this model, and we'll do a comparison video with a couple of the other RCs so we can see how it performs. Thanks, and see you next time.